What? Legendary Marketer's free? You heard that right. You can get Legendary Marketer for free and start earning commissions. Stay with me throughout this video to see how. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about Legendary Marketer and how to get in for free. Alright, this system is totally blowing my mind every time I look around and I see these new things about 3.0. Alright, but before we get started in today's video, let me introduce myself. To those that don't already know me, my name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and drop me down a comment down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. Alright guys, now if you are more interested in a passive income, one that can make you money while you sleep, one that can make you a full-time income online, click my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. Just click that link down below and you'll get more information. All right, let's get on with today's video, all about Legendary Marketer, how you can actually get into this system for free. All right, so Legendary Marketer is a training tool. You can also become an affiliate, and it is a high ticket affiliate program. Okay, so basically you can earn while you learn with Legendary Marketer, and it can also teach you how to create your own online business. Okay, so that's what it's all about. If you want more information about the first couple days in Legendary Marketer, click the link up above, click that, check out that video, and I'll show you what to expect once you join Legendary Marketer in more detail. All right guys, so let's jump right in here to the back office. What I'm talking about today is you can join Legendary Marketer for free with no credit card. You can join, click the link down below, the top of my description, my #1 recommendation. Click that link and it's going to get you signed up for the free business challenge. Okay, so it's a 15-day business builder challenge. And what it's going to do is going to walk you through 15 days. It's going to give you a video. It's going to give you assignments. After you complete the assignments, you mark it complete, go to your next step. And then you go to the next day and you keep doing that over and over again. And guys, these are very good. I went through all these myself and it's very good content. I really enjoyed all the content that they have in this product. Okay, so this is totally free. You come in here and the best part is you can make commissions while you're doing this for free. You can make commissions for free. Okay, so that's something new they added with Legendary Marketer 3.0 is you don't have to be a member. You don't have to own any products to make commissions. Now, you're not going to make as high level of commissions as somebody would if they owned a license, but you can come in and become an affiliate and start earning commissions right away. Okay, so throughout your 15-day challenge, you can earn commissions. Okay, so come in here, get your 15 days, join the Facebook group, talk to your advisor, and get started. I challenge you guys to get started and take immediate action with this, because this is a true giveaway, guys. I don't even know what they're thinking about giving this for free to people, but it's not my program, and more power to you guys. Now, I own all these products. I own a license to all these products, so I can actually promote them myself, but you can come in here as a freebie, as a free member, and promote these things and get a little bit of commission from them. Okay, so that's pretty freaking cool. Now, I'm going to go over here to some frequently asked questions. Now, what is the difference between pro and basic affiliate status? So there are two different levels. There's basic, which is free, and then there's pro, which is paid. So basic affiliates will earn 10 to 30% commission depending on which product you're actually promoting and referring. And pro affiliates will earn anywhere between 40 and 60% of the product sales. Now, the difference is pro affiliate status is $30 a month, where the basic affiliate status is free. Okay, so pro status also includes some features like additional streams of income and top earner training. So you'll get some extra stuff with being a pro affiliate as well. Okay, so it is definitely worthwhile to become a pro affiliate, but if you just want to take advantage of the free program, then do it free and just join as a basic. Okay. Do you need Pro and Legendary Marketers Club to get commissions? Now, Legendary Marketer Club is a total different, it's a product. It's not affiliate status. So you do not need Marketers Club to earn any commissions. Like I said, you can do this totally free. All right. With 3.0, that's one thing they dropped is you no longer need to own a product to earn commissions on that product. All right. So you just need to have an affiliate status. And once you are, you're eligible to earn commissions at the basic level. All right. So what's the difference between what is the affiliate status and what does that mean? All right. So to be eligible to earn commissions, you must apply and be approved for affiliate status. So what this is doing is keeping people from, just coming in and just spamming the shit out of Legendary Marketer. They're actually going to, you got to fill out an application. They're going to have to talk to you to become an affiliate. Okay. So you can do this for free, but you're going to have to prove that you are, somewhat educated in the affiliate marketing space before they'll allow you to be an affiliate to their system. Okay. So that's something good about Legendary Marketer that not many other programs are doing, but it's a necessity because otherwise you'll have everybody and their mother spamming the shit out of Legendary Marketer and it'll just kill the program. So that's one thing they are doing. But guys, if you're going through the 15-day challenge, you can become an affiliate. Okay. Because you're getting that training that you need to become an affiliate. Okay. So you can become an affiliate for free and start promoting this thing for free if you really like. Now, what happens after the 30 days of free status? All right. So if you are active affiliate prior to launch, you will be given 30 days pro status. So this is for people that were already affiliates. They actually have to sign up as an affiliate after their first 30 days after 3.0 launches. Okay. So not everybody will become pro status. All right. So some people will, some people won't. Now, here's a question. What's the point of having Legendary Marketer Club if you don't need to own it or earn commissions? Now, guys, Legendary Marketer Club is a product. Okay. Let me go over here and show you what it is. It's a product. You got a couple courses in here. You get a weekly webinar every single week. So what that is it's a club and it gives you products that you can promote. All right. So gives you live virtual training workshops as well as new classes every single week. All right. So here's the next question. Do I have to start the core steps all over? If this is for people like myself that have been with Legendary for quite some time, it's asking, do I need to take all these core steps? No, you don't have to. All right. So I went through them just because I wanted to see what they were about and what I'm actually promoting here. So I am here to say these 15-day challenge steps are freaking awesome. Okay. So they have what you call core steps in the prior update 2.0. And now they're a 15-day challenge, which is even better. I think they stepped it up probably 5 notches. And what you're getting out of this 15-day challenge is amazing. All right. So guys, what I challenge you to do is go out, take massive action, join Legendary Marketer. All right. Click the link down below, the top link, my #1 recommendation. Click that link. I'll send you some information. Get signed up. It's absolutely free. You don't need to pull out a credit card or nothing. Jump in there, take that challenge. If it's something for you, continue it and maybe jump in and get more advanced training with a Legendary Marketer. All right. But if it's not for you, no harm done. It's not going to cost you a penny. And you could test the waters and see if this is something you actually want to do. Now, guys, this is work. All right. So when you come into this challenge, you're going to have to do work. All right. So if you're not the type of person that actually wants to do work to actually build a business plan for an online business, then don't even click the link. But if you are serious and you want to learn, you want to make some money in 2019 online, you want to learn this digital internet marketing, affiliate marketing. If you want to learn this, go through this challenge, see what it does for you, and see what I mean about this platform. All right, guys, peace out. Hope you have a great day. Again, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, click that subscribe button, give me a like, drop me a comment down below. And again, As always, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.